Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over a couple of currency pairs that are on my watch list, see how they're going to play out in this coming week and what potential trading opportunities we have for the coming week, month, and obviously this year. So we're going to start off with our favorite DXY. DXY, you can see right here, this is from the daily perspective. From the daily perspective, let's start from the weekly. If we look at it from the weekly perspective, we can see prices just bounced off this weekly support structure that confluences with the 0.78 Fibonacci key level. Also gave us this bullish engulfing candlestick, confirming our move, indicating that prices have a higher possibility to keep on pushing higher. And obviously, if we look at the trend, it's an obvious uptrend, as we had this high, low, we had a high, we had a low, higher high, higher low. So obviously the trend is bullish, and with this confirmation, that just confirms our move. So once we slide back to the daily time frame, we can see that prices are playing out this way. So what we'll be looking for is for prices to break this structure, give us a retest on this structure, and then we'll look for entries on this resistance, on this retest, so that we can actually buy and get better prices. For us, we can actually push until prices reach somewhere up here. So yeah, that's my view on DXY. Now, how will DXY be affecting other currency pairs? Obviously, if DXY is bullish, USD/JPY will also be bullish. So I'll be anticipating to see buys. As we can see, prices just broke above this high. So I'll be anticipating to see some kind of a continuation. If we look at it from a 4-hour perspective, we can actually see that prices have already created higher highs, as this was the most recent high and prices already broke that. So obviously the trend is still bullish, so we'll be looking for more buys. Euro USD inversely correlated, so obviously we'll be looking for sells. So I'll be waiting for prices to break below this low, give us a retest, and then from here I'll be looking for sells. GBP USD also inversely correlated to DXY, so I'll obviously also be looking for sells, but currently we can actually see that prices are kind of ranging. So I won't be in a rush to take any trading opportunities. I'll just be waiting for prices to actually break below first, and then after prices break below this structure, that's when I'll be looking for entry opportunities for me to actually take my trades. We got gold, same thing applies, it's inversely correlated to DXY, and you can actually see that prices have already bounced off this strong resistance. So there's a very high possibility that prices will keep on pushing lower. So obviously prices giving me this will be a great confirmation for me to actually look for entries. Obviously guys, by the way, if you want to see more updates on lower time frames, join my free Telegram that's linked in the description below. So that's all from DXY. So now we can actually look at JPYX. That's inversely correlated to DXY. So DXY is bullish, JPYX will obviously most likely be bearish, and we can see that from the weekly perspective. From the weekly perspective, we can actually see that JPYX is already very bearish with a solid bearish momentum. So once we come back to the 4 hours, what we'll really be looking for are proper entries. So I'll be anticipating to see prices retrace a bit and then keep on pushing lower, as this was the most recent low. So how will that be affecting the other currency pairs that have JPYX? We have Euro JPY, prices have already broken above this high. So I'll just be looking for entries around here for me to actually buy, because obviously if JPYX is selling, this will be buying. JPY, same thing applies, prices have already broken above this high. So I'll just be looking for some kind of a confirmation here for me to confirm my bias and start buying. But I really wouldn't be focusing much on JPYX this week, as the DXY has more and better trading opportunities. So I'll be focusing more on DXY rather than JPYX. Now, with that being said, guys, if you're still not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that. Like this video, comment, and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. So till next time, guys, let's have a killer week. Let's have a great trading year. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.